Hello internet world, welcome to this unboxing and first look at the Elgato Stream Deck Neo. In this video we're going to take a look at the box contents of this little tiny USB control panel that works on Mac or Windows. In fact, it is Windows 11 compatible, and if we take a look on the back, it's got some of the features listed. It says here we can instantly control your favourite apps and tools. A single press of a key, no menu diving, no mouse clicks, and you can personalise the Stream Deck with plugins, icons and more. So it sounds like a very interesting device. So I can't wait to get this unboxed and take a closer look. It says here greatness starts now. Oh, that's nice and neat. So it's one of the smallest Stream Decks in Elgato's range with just 8 buttons. We've also got a little tiny display here, a couple of lights and touch sensitive areas to navigate between pages of icons. So the first thing you'll notice is it's a really nice small unit, little tiny Elgato logo on the top. We've got a braided cable, and this is USB-C, but it is a captive cable, so you can't swap this cable out for a longer one. If you want it to be longer, you're going to have to use some sort of cable extension. Really very nice. There's also a protective piece on the bottom here which we can remove. I'm not going to do that at the moment, so we can put this on the desk and it shouldn't move around too much. There's also a little hinge on here as well, so we can actually make sure that it's at the right angle for us, and a little kick out stand just here which is going to click into place. A little bit of cable management as well on the bottom. Nice design, I like that a lot. And then also inside the box we have got some paperwork. Just looks like some regulatory information. There's a QR code, that's all that's in the box. We've got a QR code which we're going to scan to give us our getting started guide. And that is pretty much it. That is the box contents. We'll have a quick look at this powered up so you can get to see the tiny little screens underneath each button. So let's do that now. So here we go. It literally took 2 minutes to install the software, connect this up via USB-C, and we are now seeing these really awesome shortcut buttons with the little tiny screens behind. This is the default setup. This is how it starts up for the first time. Very, very cool. So we've got shortcuts to apps, links, emails, tutorials, undo, redo, start screen record, take a screenshot. We've got the current date and time on here as well. And then we've got these little touch sensitive areas, so we can actually tap on these to switch to another page of icons. That is so cool. And then don't forget, you can customize this with all of your favorite app shortcuts and icons. You can go into the marketplace and download, I think they're called profiles, but you can download basically pre-set up icon packs for your favorite applications. This is absolutely fantastic, really good quality, and very impressed. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another video very soon.